Hi, I'm Nan Simonson, and I want to give a shout out to a cookbook that I just got that I love. You're probably familiar with Plentiful Kiki. She has quite a following. She lost 70, 80 pounds, did it beautifully in that she ate very well, took great care of herself. She is attractive, she is fit, and she's teaching other people to do the same thing with a whole food plant-based diet. So I love the cookbook, and I'm going to be making, let me show you this, her omelet that is made with split dal, which I'm expecting from Amazon, I believe, tomorrow, and I'll play with that and watch for that one. And it takes a cheese sauce. Well, I just made a cheese sauce of Kathy Hester's. Just love it. My husband loves it. I love it. You'll see that posted as a video. Well, I thought, why don't I just show you this cheese sauce, and I'll just do cheese sauces as individual videos, and then I'll go ahead and do the omelet. This is the way her cheese sauce looks. Nice and thick, and it's quite different from Kathy's in that Kathy's is a cauliflower base, cauliflower and vegetables. This is potato and vegetables, primarily just carrot. So this is going to be fun, and I'll let you know what I think of both of them. I know I'm going to love both of them. So first of all, I'm putting in 3 cups of white potato, and I'm putting in a half a cup of carrot. I put a little more of each, and I'll maybe compensate with a little more moisture, but I think that the potatoes were a little heavy on the measuring side, so I just put a few more carrots. Enough water just to cover, because we want the broth to be savory. And I'm going to put it on my stove on high, because I want this to happen fast. And I'll get back to you and show you how simply you can have cheese on a whole food plant-based diet. I do have another one of Plentiful Kiki's recipes as a video, and it is the broccoli cheese casserole. And it's broccoli, rice, and cheese, and this cheese sauce is in that casserole, but it's integrated into the video. So I thought, I'm going to do this one and do it separately, and I'll be back to you and show you how simple this lovely sauce can be. I'm back for this super simple cheese sauce. So I cooked the potatoes and the carrots, and I drained them over a measuring cup, because if I need it to be thinner, I have the broth that's so flavorful. I'm going to put the potatoes and carrots in my Vitamix, which as a high-speed blender allows me to put the cashews in without soaking them. If I didn't have a strong blender, I would soak them for a few hours because it makes them softer. I'm putting in some lemon juice. I'm putting in fresh garlic, minced garlic. I could have used some garlic powder instead. Remember, well, no, you don't now. I have onion powder, I have salt, I have nutritional yeast, which Kiki said is optional. And by the way, I just buy the cashews in pieces. This is raw cashew pieces. It's much less expensive than buying whole cashews. And I'm going to start blending, and I'll add a little bit of the moisture if I need to. And it will thicken further in the refrigerator, so I'm going to be a little generous with the broth. Here we go. Nope, I'm going to use some broth to start it off.
That's good.
down a little. Ooh, I like this. So my husband and I, as I said, I had made Kathy Hester's cheese sauce. My husband and I liked that cheese sauce. We used it for dipping vegetables. We used it for, we actually used it for the egg omelet because that's what I had the day I made that. And then we used it on tostadas, very good. Oh, you know what this tastes like? Tim, come here. This is my husband. I just came in from the office. This is Tim. Taste this.
Hello, everybody. That's very good.
Doesn't that taste like melted Velveeta?
It's still very good. I'm not
Well, yeah,
big of
not a
Velveeta
yeah,
fan.
Velveeta probably is not impressive. I'm gonna make it a little thinner because that is so thick. I think if I let it sit in the refrigerator, it will end up being sliceable. Now I'm just kidding. I could cook this with some auger and end up with something that is a sliceable orange cheese. I'm a little surprised. This is such a simple recipe that I thought we were gonna have to dress it up some more. Not at all. This is great. Here we go. Now I gave it that extra time just to make it silky. And I'm going to show it to you. Take a look. Look. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to pour it into a bell jar, let it cool, and this will be rather thick. I know it will. But if I'm using it the way she is, and if I wanted this to be more orange, I could put some turmeric in it. But look, if I want it to be, or if it's this thick and I put it over freshly drained wet pasta, mixed it up, you've got your macaroni and cheese. Okay. Bon appetit. I hope you've enjoyed this. Consider Kathy Hester's. I have that video for you. Consider PRINTABLE Kiki's. I have that video for you. And consider having a great day, because you know I'm going to. I'm Nan Simonson. I wrote Aging Powerfully. My point for all of us is that with a whole food, plant-based diet, we can age from any age forward. I'm 72, into decades of health, well-being, and tons of energy. Take care. Bye-bye.